This section of canine dentistry will talk about simplifying veterinary dental radiographic technique and positioning. Classically, this has been one of the most frustrating things in veterinary dental services and practices around the world, and we feel that we have a method that simplifies this tremendously. We use this in our practice. We've evolved this method over the years, and so we're going to pass that on to you so that you can start to implement that into your practice. And once you've got this down, you'll find that it's extremely efficient and likely not equaled by any other process that's out there today. So let's start off by talking about a couple of different systems that are available. This is the classic direct or DR digital system, where you have a sensor that's encased in a plastic material that goes into the mouth and the image is exposed, and with coupling USB to a laptop or a desktop tower, you'll very quickly get an image within a couple seconds on the screen. That's called DR. And this only comes in a few sensor sizes. The only sensor size that I would recommend for this is size 2. And I'll show you the different sizes in relation to a CR system, and that way you can get an idea about the difference. This is the CR system or indirect system, and what that means is you have an extra step. So you have these phosphor plates, and these plates come in those different sizes, and the plate is covered in a plastic sheath that goes in the mouth. The image is exposed, and then that plate in its sheath is passed to another staff member who undoes the sheath, places the plate into this system, which reads the electron beam with a laser, and then transforms that image into pixels on the computer screen. Now that takes a little bit longer. It generally takes about 15 to 20 seconds for that to happen. And so there is a little bit of a time delay initially versus the direct system. So the easiest way to go through a full mouth series on a patient using this system is to have 2 people working in the manner that I just described. And consequently, having multiple plates will help tremendously with speed in that regard as well. And these plates are inexpensive compared to the direct sensors. These are about $90 for the size 4 plates. They're about $30 for the size 2 plates. So you can very easily have multiple plates. Each plate supposedly will take 100 images without any degradation in quality. So let's look a little closer at the sizes that are available. These sizes are also available in the direct sensors. There is no size 4 plate available in direct sensors. So this is an advantage for the indirect system, whereas you have a larger target here, which is especially convenient and efficient in large dogs. And when we're using our direct system, we're using only the size 2 sensor. Again, that's the only size that I would recommend. That's the only size that you need. With a small dog, we would be taking 10 different images to get a full mouth series. In a large dog with a size 4 plate, we're taking 10 images to get a full mouth series. So you can see where this is very beneficial. It decreases the amount of images that you have to take in larger dogs.